IVF, in vitro fertilization. ET, embryo transfer. EJECT, zygote intro-fallopian transfer. GIFT, gamete intro-fallopian transfer. ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. FET, frozen embryo transfer. IUT, intrauterine transfer. TESE, microtesticular sperm extraction. CVS, chorionic villus sampling. NACO, National AIDS Control Organization. STI, sexually transmitted infections. PIDS, pelvic inflammatory diseases. NAG, N-acetyl galactosamine. HDN, hemolytic disease of the newborn. PARS, pseudo-autosomal regions. NRY, non-combining region of the Y. SRY, sex-determining region Y. TDF, testis-determining factor. FAH, phenylalanine hydroxylase gene. DOPA, dihydroxyphenylalanine. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA, ribonucleic acid. A, adenine. G, guanine. T, thymine. C, cytosine. U, uracil. PO4, phosphate. OH, hydroxide. TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. NHC, non-histone chromosomal proteins. CSCL, cesium chloride. ORI, origin of replication. mRNA, messenger RNA. hnRNA, heterogeneous nuclear RNA. HGT, horizontal gene transfer. BHB, beta hemoglobin gene. tRNA, transfer RNA. ORF, open reading frame. UTR, untranslated regions. SD sequence, signed Algorno sequence. HGP, Human Genome Project. ELSI, ethical, legal and social issues. ETSS, expressed sequence tags. BAC, bacterial artificial chromosomes. YAC, yeast artificial chromosomes. VNTR, variable number tandem repeats. DENV124 virus, dengue virus or flavivirus. TNF-alpha, tumor necrosis factor. CMI, cell mediated immunity. MALT, mucosal associated lymphoid tissue. GALT, gut associated lymphoid tissue. BALT, branchial tracheal associated lymphoid tissue. L, light chains. H, heavy chains. MMR, measles, mumps and rubella. AIDS is an acronym for acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. GP, glycoprotein. ELISA test, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. NGOs, non-governmental organizations. LST, lysergic acid diethylamide. UTI, urinary tract infection. SIT, sterile insect technique. SCP, single cell protein. C2H5OH, ethanol. BOD, biochemical oxygen demand or biological oxygen demand. NRCP, National River Conservation Plan. MFC, microbial fuel cell. IARI, Indian Agricultural Research Institute. KVIC, Khadi and Village Industries Commission. GEM, genetically engineered microorganism. RNA, recombinant DNA. HGH, human growth hormone. ADA, adenosine deaminase deficiency. SCID, severe combined immunodeficiency. PCR, polymerase chain reactions. RT-PCR, reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. Sigmoid growth, S-shaped growth form, sigmoid growth. MSL, mean sea level. EN, endangered. IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature. IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. WCU, World Conservation Union. NTCA, the National Tiger Conservation Authority. NP, National Parks. WLS, Wildlife Sanctuaries. WPA, Wildlife Protection Act. BR, Biosphere Reserve. MAB, Man and Biosphere. CFCS, Chlorofluorocarbons. CO, Carbon Monoxide. CO2, Sulfur Dioxide. PAN, Peroxyacetyl Nitrate. NGT, National Green Tribunal. MOEFCC, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. STP, Sewage Treatment Plants. ETP, Effluent Treatment Plants. DB, Decibels. USEPA, United States Environmental Protection Agency. DEET, NN diethyl natolomide. RZWT, Root Zone Wastewater Treatment. DEWATS, Decentralized Wastewater Treatment System. MT, Metric Tons. BP, Lead. CRT, Cathode Ray Tube. HG, Mercury. CO, Cobalt. PCB, Polychlorinated Biphenyl. 4R, Refuse, Reduce, Reuse and Recycle. GHG, Greenhouse Gases. UNEP, United Nations Environmental Program. UV, Ultraviolet. O3, Ozone Molecule. Oxygen, O2, ODS, ozone depleting substances. ECOSAN, ecological sanitation.